Welding geomembrane material, by either wedge or extrusion welding, is no job for an amateur. It's used for lining landfill sites, ponds, rainwater attenuation tanks, and gas barriers. Failure of such a liner in service just doesn't bear thinking about. The environmental and financial consequences would be huge, so training and certification for welding personnel is absolutely crucial. Lining technicians need to understand the increasingly sophisticated equipment in use and possess the knowledge to optimize equipment parameters like temperature, pressure, and speed for the task in hand. Coping with different thicknesses of material, alternative equipment, and ever-changing ambient conditions of site work all need to be accommodated safely and competently. A lining technician's knowledge must include the interpretation of weld quality by visual inspection as well as destructive testing methods, using these things: site tensometers. For more than a decade, the certification of lining technicians has been mandatory under Environmental Agency rules. TWI's structured courses provide guidance and best practice on precisely how to carry out geomembrane welding successfully, safely, and efficiently by wedge and extrusion welding. The courses culminate in an examination which leads to CSWIP certification, a recognized standard of quality, underpinned by the European standard BS-EN 13067. Why not let us tailor a course to your specific company requirements? It can be conducted on your company premises, or indeed it could take place at one of TWI's centres. Why not visit the website now